Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're gonna play around with the airbrush a bit to create this galaxy night sky. And if you want to know how you can create a makeup just like this one, please keep watching because I will show you step by step in the coming video. To create this galaxy night sky makeup, I'm going to use my airbrush. And the first color I'm going to use is Sky Blue, a very fitting name for this makeup, which is a hybrid color by Pro Air. As you can see, I created a very uneven layer of blue on my shoulder and on my face because I want to build this until it looks like the night sky. So the next color of blue is electric blue. It is slightly darker than the sky blue, and I will do the same technique with this blue as I did with the sky blue. To give all the blue a bit contrast, I have plutonium pink, so I'm gonna mix in some pinks and purples as well. And finally a bit of black. Now the base of the night sky is on my shoulder and on my skin. It is time to add some stars. So usually I would take my stipple tips and just put a bit of white in the airbrush and splatter some white on my skin. But I have searched my entire house, my entire store, my entire studio, and I can't find them anywhere. So I'm gonna put the stars on the skin with a splatter brush. This is the small splatter brush by Ben Nye, and you can easily splatter colors on the skin with this one. So that's what I'm gonna do with the white hybrid to create some stars. Now the small white stars are done. I think it's time to put a planet on there, and I have a very large one, which will be the Earth. Now we have a kind of Earth. I also want a few stars. I have a bit of paper that I tore up and I have a little bit of the yellow by Pro Air Hybrid as well. And I'm gonna splatter some yellow stars on there as well. So I'm just gonna leave the night sky for now. I'm gonna continue to the eye makeup. So I have the rainbow palette by Ben Nye, and I'm gonna start out with the purple just to create a base for the eye makeup. I chose purple as it is in my paint as well. Using a bit of just white face paint to get a bit of white onto those eyelids. And with the light pink powder from the palette, I'm adding a bit of the lighter pink there, because otherwise my eyes are so dark and they don't really need to be. Now I'm kind of happy with the eyeshadow. I'm quickly going to put my mascara on, and there is the mascara. So for the lips, I think I also want to continue in the purple theme, and that is why I'm using this purple lipstick. It is in the Night palette by Meron, an 8-color lip palette. That's just not purple enough, so I'm gonna add a bit of the purple eyeshadow to these lips, hoping to make them purpler. I'm quickly putting a bit of eyeshadow powder in my hair. That is basically because I just airbrushed those hairs white, and although I might start to get a bit gray, I'm not that white just yet. So I have the Cool Glam palette, and I will just put a bit of shadow under my jawbone and on my cheek as well. And I chose the purple color in this palette to put this shadow on my skin, as I decided on purple and pink for kind of everything. It seemed like the right color to choose. I should definitely have done this way earlier in this makeup, but I just decided on wearing contacts. So these are pink contacts by Ericona. I will link them in the description box down below. They are absolutely beautiful, and I hope I won't tear up the entire makeup when putting them in. And now the color of my eyes match my eyeshadow, and that is something I always enjoy very much. So I think that that completes my Galaxy makeup for today. And as you could see, playing around with a few colors with the airbrush, it is very easy to create an airbrush makeup like this one. So I had loads of fun. I hope you enjoyed it as well. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel in the link below to stay tuned on all our videos. For now, I wish you a wonderful day, and I hope to see you back this Wednesday when we have a new video with Simone.